Much bellicosity and jingoism continue to be exhibited across the eastern border, including by those in responsible positions. Such rhetoric must go for there to be an atmosphere conducive to regional peace. Indian officials say that if there are talks, they must only be about terrorism.
बेलोकोस्टी जारहाना रवैया जिंगोइज्म इंतहा पसंद कौम परस्ती एग्जिबिटेड दिखाई जा रही है। रिटोरिक शिद्दत अंगेज गुफ्तगू कंड्यूसिव साजगार रीजनल पीस इलाकाई अमन टेररिज्म दहशतगर्दी।
This means that aggressive and ultra-nationalist behavior is still being shown from India's side, even by people in powerful positions. Such aggressive speech makes it difficult to create a peaceful atmosphere. Indian officials also say that they will only talk about terrorism if there are any talks.
भारत की जानब से ताहाल सख्त बयानात और इंतहा पसंद कौम परस्ती दिखाई जा रही है, जो कि इलाकाई अमन के लिए रुकावट बन सकती है। अफसोस की बात है कि जिम्मेदार ओहदों पर बैठे लोग भी ये रवैया अपना रहे हैं। भारत का मौक़िफ़ है कि मुज़ाकरात सिर्फ दहशतगर्दी पर होने चाहिए, हालांकि दोनों तरफ के मसाइल पर बात होना ज़रूरी है। अब आप ये पैराग्राफ दोबारा सुनें, फिर सवाल जवाब करते हैं।
Much bellicosity and jingoism continue to be exhibited across the eastern border, including by those in responsible positions. Such rhetoric must go for there to be an atmosphere conducive to regional peace. Indian officials say that if there are talks, they must only be about terrorism. What does the term bellicosity mean in this paragraph? Who is showing bellicosity and jingoism according to the paragraph? What is jingoism? What must go in order to create an atmosphere conducive to regional peace? According to Indian officials, what should the talks focus on? Is the paragraph in favor of open-minded dialogue or limited discussion? Why? What is the author criticizing about Indian officials' stance on dialogue? The author criticizes Indian officials for saying that any talks with Pakistan must focus only on terrorism. This shows a rigid and one-sided approach, ignoring other important issues between the two countries. By doing this, India is not showing willingness for open and honest dialogue, which is necessary to solve broader regional problems. The author suggests that this stance blocks progress and prevents real peace talks from happening. Why is the presence of bellicosity and jingoism a threat to peace? Bellicosity means an aggressive and warlike attitude, and jingoism is extreme nationalism that supports using force against other countries. When leaders or officials show these attitudes, it creates hostility, fear, and tension between countries instead of trust and cooperation. This kind of aggressive mindset makes peaceful dialogue difficult because both sides feel threatened and defensive. So instead of moving towards peace, the countries may move closer to conflict or even war.